to just destroy my credibility and reputation just because I attack his boss, Martin Romualdez. Jude Asidre posted that I stole the money. Parang he said, oh, really, ganyan-ganyan. But the thing is, kahit disorganized ako, organized sila. So lahat ng nag-receive, we have pictures, we have like, and more importantly, that's a private fundraising. Hindi yan taxes ng tao. That's a private fundraising event, and we were accountable to all our donors. So ginamit nila yon. So just because they want to use something against you, kasi hindi naman pwedeng awayin ka nila, tapos wala silang gagamitin sa'yo, so ginamit nila yon from 2020. Between 2020 and now, we've done a lot of efforts for relief, disaster relief, pero yun ang ginamit nila. Unfortunately, sa kanila, meron kaming proof, which we try to do always. So ang gusto kong itanong sa HOR, one of your own defames or slanders a regular person like me, Congressman, what is my legal remedy? Bakit kayo lang ang may karapatan magpatawag? Pwede ko bang ipatawag si Jude dito? Can I just sue him? Because if I can sue him, I will. You know, parang, so yun ang sinasabi ko, parang abuso. Baka akala nyo, kami lang to, but if it happens to me, it will happen to all of you. If it happens to all of us here, and we're all educated here, it can happen to, eto kasi, this is the idea, mag-e-election na. This is the perfect time for them to shut us up. This is the perfect time for them para matakot tayong lahat at atakihin sila. Pero we cannot do that not just for ourselves but for our children. Kasi we cannot allow them to just do whatever they want without them being checked. Kasi sa kanila na lahat eh. Executive, legislative, sana yung judicial hindi. Pero pag party tayo pinatahimik, wala nang mangyayari sa Pilipinas. And you know, some of us can turn a blind eye, some of us hindi natin kaya i-switch off yung passion natin for loving this country.